Parapsychology is a field of study that explores phenomena and experiences that are considered beyond the scope of normal scientific understanding. These phenomena typically include telepathy, clairvoyance, precognition, psychokinesis, and near-death experiences, among others. The scientific evaluation of parapsychology has been a topic of debate for many years, and opinions on its validity vary among scientists and researchers. The skeptical view. Many scientists and skeptics argue that parapsychology lacks scientific credibility due to a lack of robust empirical evidence supporting the existence of paranormal phenomena. They highlight issues such as the lack of replicable experiments, methodological flaws, experimenter bias, and the reliance on anecdotal evidence. Skeptics often advocate for the application of Occam's razor, which suggests that simpler explanations without invoking paranormal elements are more likely to be accurate. The pro-parapsychology view. On the other hand, proponents of parapsychology argue that there is a body of research that supports the existence of certain paranormal phenomena. They claim that some experimental studies have shown statistically significant results, suggesting the presence of psychic abilities. Proponents also argue that the traditional scientific method might not be appropriate for studying paranormal phenomena, as these phenomena might not conform to conventional scientific laws. Critiques of parapsychology research. Parapsychology research has faced various criticisms that have contributed to its lack of acceptance in the scientific mainstream. Some common critiques include methodological issues. Many experiments conducted in parapsychology have been criticized for methodological flaws, such as inadequate controls, insufficient sample sizes, and lack of double-blind protocols. These issues raise concerns about the reliability and validity of the reported results. Publication bias. Some argue that there is a publication bias against negative or null results in parapsychology. This bias can create an overrepresentation of positive results in the literature, potentially distorting the overall picture of the field. Replication difficulties. Replication is a fundamental aspect of scientific research, but parapsychology experiments have often encountered difficulties in replicating positive findings. The lack of successful replications raises doubts about the robustness of the reported effects. Experimenter bias. The involvement of experimenters who have a personal belief or interest in paranormal phenomena can introduce unintentional biases into the experimental design and interpretation of results. These biases may influence the outcome of studies and hinder scientific objectivity. Overall, the scientific evaluation of parapsychology remains controversial. While proponents argue that some studies provide evidence for paranormal phenomena, the field as a whole has not gained widespread acceptance in the scientific community due to the methodological issues and lack of replicability. The debate continues, and future research will be necessary to determine the true nature of these phenomena and their place within the realm of scientific understanding.